Hi, my dears. Very good morning to each and everyone. So now we continue the same chapter, squares and square root. Last class, what we discussed about prime factorization to find the square root of prime factorization, and also repeated subtraction, and then comparing the unit digit to find the unit digit of square root. Okay, if you got a squaring number, by comparing the unit digit of the squaring number, you can guess what is the unit digit of a square root of that given square number. And also next you can check whether the given value is a perfect square or not. Okay, so that perfect square means you know the unit digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So if any of the unit digit present means you say it as a perfect square, otherwise that is not a perfect square. So now we continue with the exercise number 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Question number 4, find the square root of following numbers by prime factorization. So 729. So I take 729. I take 729 here. So you take divisible by 3. So how many times? 2 times. So 2 times means this 2, 1 remaining, it becomes 12. How many times? It times 4 times. So after that 9 is there. How many times? 3 times. You put 3. Again you need to go with the 3 table. Okay, so 2 is smaller. 2 is smaller, you take 24. So 24 means how many times? 8 times. Remaining 3 is there. How many times? 1 time. Okay, so now you go with the 81. 81. So 81 means 8. How many times? It seems to be 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So 3 can be 2 times. Okay, 3 twos are 6. Remaining 2. So this 1 become 21. How many times? 7 times. So now you take 27 in a 3 table 9 times. Again 3 times and 1 times. Now you can see by prime factorization. So what is the answer? You get 729 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can take a square root. You can pair this square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You can make a pair. So this is one pair. This is another one pair. This is another one pair. So more totally 3 pair. So 3 into 3 into 3. So what the value? 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. So square root of 729 is equal to 27. By using prime factorization, we find the square root of 729. So next we move on to third question. Question already I done. So 17 means how many times? 8 times. So now it becomes 16. 8 times and 2 times. So 882. So again you divisible by 2. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2, 8 and 1 times. So now it divisible by 3. 1 3s are 3. Remaining 1, so it becomes 14. You take 4 times 12 and it becomes 21, so 7 times. So again you divisible means you got 4 3s are 12. Remaining 2, it becomes 27. 9 3s are 27. So 7 7s are 49 and 7 1 times. So now you take square root. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, you take 1 out of 2. So 2 into 3 into 7, so you multiple, you get 42. So 42 is the value of square root of 1764. So now you move on to question number 4. So here 4 it seems to be 2 times 0 and 9. 9 means how many times? 3 times 6, 4 times 8, 5 times 10. So we take 4 times. Remaining 1. So here 6 means it becomes 16. 8 times. So now it 4, 8. Again you continue with the 2. So 2 means how many times? 1 times. 0. It is 2 times. 8, 4 times. So now you see 1 is very smaller than 2. So now you take this 0, 10. 10 means 5 times 2, 10. Again 1 times 2, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times, again you divisible with the 2. So 2 times 5 1 2, so 2 times means 4, remaining 1, so it becomes 11. 5 times, so now 2 becomes 12. 12 means how it is possible? 6 times. So 1 times, 2 times, remaining 1, it becomes 16. 8 times. So 1 is smaller, you take 2. 6 2s are 12, and then 4 2s are 8. So 6 becomes 3 times, and 4 in 2 times. 3 1 time, and remaining 1 6 time. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. So now you complete the prime factorization. Now you go on to the square root. Square root of 4096 is equal to, how many 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So totally 12 is there. So just you written in inside of square root. 2 into 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 2. So totally I write all the factors. So now you make it as a pair. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 pair is there. All the 6 pair are 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just to multiple this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2 32. 32 into 4 64. So square root of 4096 is equal to how much? 64. Now next, fifth question. 7744. 2. You take 7. How many times? 3 times. Remaining 1. So now here 1 7. So it becomes 17. 17 means how many times? 8 times. Remaining 1. Because 16 only we get it. So already here 4. So now it becomes 14. How many times? 7 times. Next 4. How many times? 2 times. Again we go with the 2. So 3 is there. How many times? 1 time. Remaining 1. So now it become 18. How many times? 9 times. Next 7. How many times? 3 times. 3 times we get 6 only. Remaining 1. So 2 become 12. How many times? 6 times. Now go with the 2. So now 1 is smaller, so you take 19. How many times? 9 times. 18. Remaining 1. So now it becomes 13. 6 times. 6 2s are 12. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. So number ends with 8. So now again with 2. So 9 become how many times? 4 times. 1. So 6 becomes 16. 8 times. 4 2s are 8. So now it's in very simple. So 4 means 2 times. 4 times. 2 times. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. So I know that this is divisible by only 11. So 11 into 11. 121. 1. Okay. Now you take a square root of 7774. 7744 is equal to square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now you make it pair. 1 2 3 4. So 4 pair is there. Here 3 is in a 2 and 1 is 11. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 11. 88. So root of 7744 is equal to 88. So now we move on to question number 9, 529. So 529 is also in the same method. So you can check, this is 9. So you check with 9 2s are 18. 9 plus 2 11, 16. So it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. Okay, 7 you can check means how much you get. 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56. So 49 remaining 3. 39 is it not possible. So 7 is not there. So why you make this confusion? So 9 with ended means it can be multiple of the number unit digit is 3 and 7. So it may be 13 or 17, 23 or 27, 33 or 37. So now you can see if we take 23 means 2 2s are 4. So it becomes 400 something. So now we go with the 23. Okay, 23 means you can check 23 here. 123s are 23, 223s are 46. Okay, so we take 23 means this 52 becomes 2 times. Remaining 6. So 9 become 69. 9 become 69. So 69 means 3 times. Again you take 23 and it becomes, so you see that this is one of the perfect square of 23. So directly you take square root of 529 is equal to 23 into 23. So 23 square means 23. You take 1. Okay, next we move on to Roman letter question number 5. So 5 is nothing but the first process is always prime factorization, but here you need to find out smallest whole number which would be multiplied. Okay, so already you know, so I won't give too much of explanation. So first you need to find the prime factorization. If any number, any prime factor comes without pair means you need to make a pair. After that you need to find the square root of new number. Okay, so first you take 252 divisible by 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this 2 become 12. So 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 table. 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21, 1. So now you go to 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now you make a pair. So here 7 becomes, 7 comes without pair. Seven comes without pair. Okay, therefore 252 is not perfect square. To make 252 as perfect square, 252 multiple with 7 as well as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and you need to multiple one more 7. So now you take a square root. Square root of just you multiple this, 7 2s are 14, 4 remaining 1, 7 5s are 35, 36, 7 2s are 14, 17. So 1764. So here square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So it seems to be 2 3 7. 2 into 3 into 7, which is equal to 42. So this is a new number. Okay, remaining number 252, the new number is 1764, square root is 42. Okay, same way we move on to question number 3. So question number 3, 1008, as the same method we followed with the previous question. So 1008, just you start with 2. You take this first 2 digit 5 times, 0 4 times again. So 5, it becomes 2 times only. Now the 0 become 10. So 10 means 5 times, 2 times. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. So 2 become 12, 6 2s are 12. So it is 12, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. 7 3s are 21. 1. So now you need to check the value, it is a perfect square or not. 1008 is equal to how many 2? 4. 1 2 3 4. How many 3? 2. And then 7. Here you can check only 7. Here also 7 is 7 comes without pair. So 7 comes without pair. 1008 is not perfect square, which implies that 1008 also multiple with 7, and this factor also multiple with 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So you can multiple 7 8s are 56, remaining 5. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7. So 7056 is equal to, you take a square root. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Now you take a pair and take it out. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7, it is 12 7s are 84. So square root of 7056 is equal to 84. So the given question is 1008. It is not a perfect square because 7 doesn't have any pair. So you get a new number 7056. Square root of new number is 84. Okay dears, so remaining sums from 4th main, that is 2nd question, 6th question, 7th question, 8th question, 10th question, this 5. So 5 I will do it. Remaining this 5 question you do it as a homework in your homework book as usual. In a 5th main, 2nd question, 4th question, 5th question. So today there is no worksheet. You need to complete this homework in your homework book. So you need to watch the video once or twice, and you must complete this homework today itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை